in incremental readings. So perhaps you may use the splash image, and you may have changed this image. But now is, oh man, how do I restore the default? I want once again the Supermemo face, right? Well, do I need to download that image and then put it here? No, doesn't need to. And this is true for Supermemo 18 or whatever version. So the face will change, but the feature is the same one. This is the start. This is a demo, a demonstration of how counterintuitive Supermemo can be, even for this simple thing. So if I want to change, I don't want to change. I want to go to the default. Instead of clicking reset, I need to choose a folder to an image that I won't be selecting. Then I cancel the menu. And when I have this, clear the picture. Which picture? Because I haven't selected any. You say yes. And now, there's no image. And it will stay like that while I use Supermemo. Once I close it down and I open it again, now I see the default once again. So imagine how you're supposed to know you need to do all of this trickery instead of just clicking reset or restore default. Easy to do, but that is just a piece of a preview that in Supermemo, when you have something that is really complex, not changing one image, something complex, you need to know what you're doing, the ins and outs on how it is designed, how it is implemented, and sometimes goes very, very far of what you will think with common sense. It's counterintuitive in nature. That's the reason I'm doing this course. That's all you need to know for now. See you in the next video.